Recipe for an Earthy. Take one enchanted island with pristine beaches, exotic forests, and a happening nightlife. Add a bunch of digital travel influencers. Spice it all up with rigour and live challenges. Separate the My Mommy Loves My Blog pretenders from the real digital media superstars of travel. Shake well. Garnish with sunshine, served only to the best of the best. Get ready for the Earthy Awards, an epic, star-studded 2-day event to find and honor the most authentic and most influential digital travel influencers, bloggers, Instagrammers, writers, YouTubers, the desktop and backpack ninjas, the selfie kings and queens that truly tell it like it is. Get your sunscreen out for the Earthy Awards in Sabah.